Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is going to be a kind of first impressions / review on the Morphe 35M Boss Mood Palette. I'm going to be doing this eye look right here. So if you want to see how I created this look, then just keep watching. I'm gonna start with taking Stroke of Luck as my transition shade. I'm just going to start on the outer corner using circular motions, and I'm going to buff my way in. So far it is blending out very nicely. It's not patchy. Now I'm going to take Express Yourself and I'm going to put it in my crease. That blended very nicely into the other shade. Now I'm going to take FOTD and put it in my outer corner, patting it on first, and then I'll start blending it out. And now I'm just going to start blending the edges and bringing it inward. Now I'm going to take Power Slayer just on the very outer corner, just to deepen it up. Now I'm just going to cut my crease with my Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. First, I'm going to take Indie Glow Queen and I'm going to pack it on my lid. There is definitely fallout. I'm gonna spray my brush with Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Marine Boosting Mist. Oh yeah, that's a lot better. Definitely is going on a lot more smoothly now. Now I'm gonna take Bossy AF and I'm going to pack it over top. I'm just going to blend in the outer corner where the shimmer meets the matte. And I didn't dip my brush into any additional product. Okay, now I'm just going to wipe off the fallout. Okay, for underneath my eyes, I'm going to take Transformer and just sweep it back and forth. it's more blue when you actually put it on your eye from like how it looks in the pan. Now I'm gonna take Grape Expectations and I'm going to put it on the inner lash line. I'm gonna take Center of Attention and put it on the outer part of my lower lash line. And I'm just going to blend it out. And I'm just going to take Light of the Party for my inner corner highlight. And my brow bone too. And for my waterline, I'm just going to use a nude pencil. This is L'Oreal Infallible. For my mascara, I'm going to try the Milk Makeup, it's backwards, the Milk Makeup Kush Mascara. Really fat wand. It definitely lengthens. It's not bad. For my false lashes, I'm going to use the Sephora Collection lashes in Swanky number 33. And this is the finished eye look. Now I'm just going to zoom you out and finish off the rest of my face. Okay, so I already have bronzer on, but for blush, I'm going to use the Maybelline Master Blush palette, and I'm just going to kind of mix these two. I'm just going to spray my face with some Smashbox primer water before I put on my highlight. For my highlight, I'm going to use Maybelline Master Chrome in Molten Rose Gold. For my lips, I'm going to be using Dose of Colors Bear With Me. And this is the final look. So my first impressions on the Morphe 35M, I'm trying to open it, Boss Mood palette is, I like it. It blended nicely and it wasn't patchy or anything, and the colors blended together very well. So if you like these colors, I would definitely consider picking it up. The only thing I don't like about the palette, and it's not actually like the eyeshadows themselves, is like the little plastic sheeting that covers the eyeshadows that has the names on it. I always just throw these out. I hate it when like brands put the names of the eyeshadows on this thing, because then you have to keep it. But anyways, not a huge big deal and nothing to do with the actual like eyeshadows themselves. I wish they wouldn't do this. But other than that, the eyeshadows themselves, they work great. They blend. They aren't patchy. Overall, definitely worth your money, and I hope you enjoyed my first impressions on this palette. I will see you all in my next video. Bye!